Welcome to Echo English Vibes, the ultimate place where you train your speaking reflexes to communicate naturally and confidently in English. Do you know why you understand English but still freeze when someone asks you a very simple question in daily life? It is not because you lack vocabulary, but because your brain is trying to do way too many things at once. Your mind is translating, checking complex grammar, searching for words, and worrying about making mistakes all at the very same time. That mental traffic jam is exactly what keeps you from responding naturally and effectively when you are in a real conversation. If you want to speak fluently, you really need to stop building every single English sentence from scratch every single time. If you have ever frozen while speaking English, hit the like button and start changing your habits right here, right now. The answer lies in having ready-to-use speaking blocks that you can pull out whenever you need to express ideas. Fluent English speakers do not think one word at a time. They rely on familiar expressions to keep the flow going. These sentence blocks help you start speaking immediately, reduce your pressure, and give your brain extra time to organize your thoughts. Pick your favorite speaking block right now and practice it out loud along with this video to build your verbal muscle. But simply knowing these sentence patterns is not enough. The real key is practicing them until they become completely automatic habits. Understanding English does not automatically mean you can speak it. You must train your mouth, not just your eyes, for fluency. Your mouth needs regular training before your speaking reflex can develop into a natural skill that you use without any effort. Do not just watch this video. Read each sentence out loud and repeat after me right now to improve your speech. Once you have built that basic reflex, it is time to follow a simple 30-day plan for daily speaking practice. The plan is simple. For the first 10 days, you will practice starting blocks to initiate conversations with ease and speed. The next 10 days are dedicated to holding blocks, which are perfect for buying yourself thinking time during any tough conversation. The final 10 days focus on repair blocks to help you recover from small mistakes and keep the conversation going forward. Every day, practice one sentence pattern, 5 example sentences, repeat them 5 times, and use the pattern in real-life conversations. If you are ready to take on the 30-day challenge, comment "I will speak" and make a commitment to yourself. Finally, I want to leave you with a simple challenge that could change the way you speak English very rapidly indeed. Do not just understand it, use it. Within the next 24 hours, choose one speaking block and create 3 responses. Record yourself, speaking for about 60 seconds. Listen to the recording once, and then correct just one small mistake you made. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to get English out of your head and through your lips right now. Complete the challenge today and share your results in the comments so we can all improve our speaking together as friends. If this video helped you understand why you always freeze, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Never miss our next practical speaking reflex lesson, because we are here to help you become a much more fluent speaker. Remember to comment "I will speak" as a promise to yourself that starting today, you will actually open your mouth daily. See you in the next video on Echo English Vibes, where we continue our journey to better English speaking skills together. Quiet your mind before you start to speak, so you can focus on the message you want to deliver to others. Preparation is the secret weapon of every successful language learner who wants to speak with clarity and total confidence every time. Walking and talking is a great way to activate your memory and make your English sentences flow much more naturally today. Focus on the shape of your mouth when you pronounce every word, as this will help your muscle memory grow stronger. Growth happens slowly, but if you keep practicing these blocks, you will surely see a big difference in your daily speech. Technology can be a great partner in your learning journey if you use it to record your voice and track progress. Finding a partner to speak with can make the entire process much more enjoyable and help you overcome your speaking fears. It is time to put away the heavy books and start using your voice to connect with the world around you. Imagine yourself speaking with total ease in front of others, because this is the future you are building for yourself now. When the right words come to your mind without any struggle, you will feel a sense of freedom you never knew. Celebrate every small victory along the way, because each step brings you closer to the fluent speaker you want to become. Let your words flow like a river, unobstructed by overthinking or fear. Just focus on the joy of sharing your thoughts. Your time is valuable, so use these speaking blocks to make every minute of your practice count toward your ultimate goal. Remember that English is just a tool for connecting with people, so do not let the fear of mistakes stop you. Speak with the freedom of a bird in the sky, knowing that your voice is unique and deserves to be heard. Organize your thoughts with these visual aids, making it easier to remember the patterns that will help you speak much faster. Every single day is a new opportunity to become better at speaking English, so embrace the challenge with a positive mindset. Listen to your own voice carefully, because hearing yourself speak is the fastest way to identify areas for improvement right now. Everything you practice today will eventually fit together like a perfect puzzle, creating a complete picture of your fluent English skills. Find materials that you truly enjoy reading, because interest is the fuel that keeps you motivated throughout your long learning journey. Just like a tree grows from a small seed, your speaking ability will grow with consistent care and daily practice sessions. Walk with the confidence of someone who knows they can communicate their ideas clearly in any situation they might face today. Keep these patterns in your mind like stars to guide you through any conversation, no matter how difficult it may seem. Writing down your reflections helps you solidify what you have learned and prepares you for the challenges of the next day. Even in the busiest moments of your life, take a few minutes to practice your English and keep your skills sharp. Your smile is part of your communication, so let your personality shine through every word you speak in English with pride. Use your English to reach your professional goals, because being able to speak well opens many doors for your bright future. Build your knowledge base step by step, and you will find that speaking becomes easier with every single piece of information. Take a moment to appreciate how far you have come in your language learning journey and keep pushing for more growth. Listen to the rhythm of English music and movies to catch the natural flow that native speakers use in their lives. Your voice matters, so make sure to speak up in meetings and share your brilliant ideas with the people around you. English is a bridge that connects you to the whole world, allowing you to explore new cultures and meet interesting people. Create a comfortable space for yourself to learn, because a relaxed mind is much better at absorbing new language patterns daily. Use the tools I have given you today as your compass to navigate the complex world of the English language effectively. Let this lesson be the spark that lights your way toward becoming a confident and fluent English speaker in the future. The possibilities are endless when you master the art of speaking English, so keep dreaming big and working hard every day. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing your progress in the next video on Echo English Vibes. Goodbye for now. Keep practicing your speaking reflex, and remember that you are capable of achieving great things in English today.